Part of your body, put your hand there right now. We don't have to lay hands on you. The Lord is touching you wherever you are. There's a song we had when we're praying about the miracles. Oh yes, oh yes, Pronatipsia Sino of fire, no year. Oh, Yame, oh, Yame, oh, yes, century, oh, yes, century, oh, Yame, oh, Yame, Kagada, oh, Yame, oh, yes, century. Oh yes, that's running in it. Oh yes, that's running in it. Cause you'll come off war. Oh you'll team off war. Sassem no moya general. Oh come on, say any year. Oh you know me, oh you know me. He's got no one like him. Oh you know me. Oh yes, that's running in it. Oye kwanchirefo oye kwanchirefo oye mekamafo oye mitimafo. See what the doctors have given up on, that is what he picks up and he shows himself as God. Oye name oye name oye sandraning in it oye sandraning in it. Yes, you are my friend. Now I shall be born. Oh, Betty. I just heard the Lord say that some prophecies have taken too long. It is coming right now. It is coming right now. It is coming right now. He said, I am stepping in. I am stepping in into that hopeless situation, into that sickness, into that marriage case. He said, I am coming in as God Almighty. And when I step in, demons bow, sickness flee. He is God. I don't know what I've delayed in your life. And I don't know what your friends have told you. I don't know how your family see you. But I am a testimony of the faithfulness of God. I am a living proof of the faithfulness of God. He picked me. He picked me. Oh, he picked me. Who am I? Who am I, oh Lord? He picked me up and he set my feet. He will pick you up and he will set your feet. People will testify. Nations will see the hand of the Lord upon your life. Don't give up on him. Don't give up on him. It is not over yet. The devil hasn't won yet. It is not over yet.
In the name of Jesus, Abba Father, yeah.
Lift up your hands wherever you are. Lift up your hands wherever you are. And celebrate God. Celebrate God. Celebrate Jesus. Celebrate Jesus. Celebrate Jesus. Celebrate. Give Jesus. Give him away. Give him away. Come on, give him away. Give Jesus away. Give Jesus away. Give Jesus away. Give Jesus away.
Of Jesus, Abba Father, yeah, our prayers, oh, in the name of Jesus. No, I'm into the tree. Oh, wow. Yes, you did it more. Brani sewo. Jesus, won't ye sewo. Brani sewo. Jesus, won't ye sewo. Tuntun kafu sewo. Aye. Udini wuhuso. Yeah. Munyami mami mwani dina. Oh yeah, mi chem. Mi haini mi katabu. Adom Mary my yeswe. Udini wuso. Aye. Udini wuso. Adom Mary my yeswe. Udini wuso. Oh yeah, mi chem. Mi hani katabu. Adom Mary my yeswe. Udini wuso. Oh yeah, mi chem. Mi hani mi katabu. Adom Mary my yeswe. Udini wuso. Eja himbiani wa otisewo. Kena utumfu biani wa say, oh, papa. Mepo dina bombrania show di ni nyamna makase. Amana manyina nyankopon newo. Otumfwe okateche. Toto bronso tribia pompa mini wooden papa. Munja me mami mwani mbrani minsan mbrani kamfuni dintuntu ne minkase. Onumkwani obwadiati. Oh yeah, Miche. Oh yeah, Miche. Behind me, Mikatabu. Mikatabu. Oh, Mary, my yes way. Udiri uso. Otisi butan yankupone. Ewunta hunu wuye wo. Wananza podo wananka su papa. Nyatitana pro wiyeri yo. Udiniti ewufu soryo. Frefretambra nyami epeja o. Jehovah nisi. Okateche osaberima. Okokroko burum bum 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 bum. Jesus wudini fatao. Jehovah nisi. Okateche osaberima. Okokroko burum bum 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 bum. Jesus waye fatao. Eja benkumye nifa. Epweni atoye. Obieni wa oni ose. Maria Munyami. Tumfobiani wa oni uso. Inti meba wodina bombrami akamfu washe wenyum nyamaka se tridiampo nyankupane. Tridiampo nyankupane. Ototo boso nyankupane. Hallelujah. Bibiani wa oni uso. Obieni uso. Eje ho inzi fatao. Inzi fatao.
Adom FM. Minimania won sam nensem wode wabrabo ne wasetuna ahye na so media mabometri mo pese mene sa tete nyame de obosro na obasa se friend yemane ni homa ne ba ye no ono na me ye Owusu Ansah maboma dwene po mesinkete mawiata so se de bempo ene betumi atete me ne sa nyankopon yi a ono afre ne yemane ni homa ne ba ye no betumi atete me ne no entem ene ye yawada na ye memeda eno nti matomensa afre wo se brama yansom wo awrade epono ho ene edey. Come, let us worship the Lord together this morning, even as you've been watching me from all over the world on the Facebook. Pacho, what Facebook or Facebook for the yana mo enjoy. Before that I come on. Ain't Pacho baby. Share with somebody, share with a friend, share with a sister. Quick 1, 2, 3, 4 share. Share. And it is for evangelism. It is for a purpose. Share with other people. I am concerned share, but would you believe until you are sharing so that you can win more souls into the kingdom. So share and bring your comment. Country, I want to mention also and so let us do it together. Good morning and God bless you. Ejumaya born a canena. Rade when summer and mewada where rade when summer me Owusu Ansah mewada. And wada obaya ejaya. Good morning. Obisi ejaya obaya na obaya abaya. When the name in home. Obaya wako Florida or ICGC. Good morning. And ya wada 60 45. Amaya, Auntie Florence. Good morning. Happy birthday. When your birthday to be no problem. I can just add it to it. Your prayer time. But I will do it. May I do it? If it's our daddy, you need me, you know. Dini ba kusana yetime ebo wabaswa goeiemorgen alsof we just goeiemorgen George Fiao, my brother, good morning in Holland. Good morning, Samuel. Wood to me. What do you need? Wood to me. And you wound to me. I like that. What do you need? Wood to me. And Rabbi share Bible to the can be. To the can be. Not Nayame the bar, and I can just read it for you. Jacqueline Saichi, US to say, New Jersey to say, am I gonna say near Mike? Is it near Mike or near Mike? Which one? Frederica of Paribia, good morning. Lydia will say good morning. Echa in Tim, good morning. Also Tim from Ohio to say, yeah, come here. Good morning. God bless you. Evelyn, good morning for sharing. Nana Jiman, good morning. Joseph Amwaka, good morning. One more Facebook corona, may I appreciate it. Well, our radio is on the mean to me who would do. But the meet me, I can say, when you mention until the news on on count. So they may some in a yawade. Was I? Ahini Yesue Use Nasi Okrayemu Nana Double Diamond. Good morning. Nana, what to say? Nana Pacho Mafio Obana Fio Mema Bakupe Nana Hiwa Double Diamond. What do you mean, Yaba? The church, enemy of us for Abrante Robert, good morning. Joseph and Sarah, good morning. Samuel say good morning. Prince of Pokwa Joan, good morning. Eunice Quatin, good morning. Ama Bianca, good morning. Victor Quay, Eunice Quatin, London to say good morning to all of you. Good people, great people. The church without any walls. And hey, Yawada, Wani Mark, Flush Pond, James Amankwa, good morning to all of you. Ama Bianca Obo and Mate, thank you. Hey, why are they cancer? Saradima de Pabichiana, Saradi Hayansua, Radi Baya Hobaya, or the Yadi Koa, the free, any Yafiba, or the Yakonwa the Yaba, or the Yakonwa the Yaba, Amadi Pabichian, what the Yabani in our chair, Rohuri Yambania, Dozy Tubal, Yuri Zelen Quazer, good morning. Williams, Jacqueline Sachi, Tracy Akina, Ivan Amino Sumfree, Pronto Comestale, Benes, Philomena Ajeba, Ajabs, okay, Prophelize with Dina Gakra, Okrayemu, Mitaba Nasi, Onjayemuda. What is the idea about Quayana or so? Maho Tosuani and the Soba Wabrabum say, Yamenua, who on Wajo on Jaimu, Eradin Jaimu, Empowaya Bonino on Jaumo, Empowayam from Sono on Jaumo. Sabreyana Ohini Herod the train and Sa Aye Asafunumu Enipebi Ayaya dear. Alaboko Shadabaha Sabreya Rana Ohini Herod Train and Sa Aya Safunumu Enipebi Ayaya dear. Kasie, and Ayawaden, Theodora Foriata, Jonathan, James Amankwa, Facebook for more poppy back. Hitting. Salome, Cordia, Mary, Jackson. Good morning. God bless each and everyone. Anti-Americans are going away. Mamma to us and a more serious business. They do serious business. I mean, warfare songs. South Africa, to say Samuel, good to me. South Africa, chia when you know me what. Well, from Yaw Owusu Ansah, Dallas Duke, good morning. Over Belgium to say. Into the hack to say, Goedemorgen. Mikey Chreme, good morning. Netherlands, Goedemorgen. Holland for more per program. What do we have in Ghana and Holland? For many years, that is a country I think I was at now. And I was a very young boy. I was very young. And I'm a co-chroma. Very young. It's 30 years. 30 years. That's the course. I was very young. Thank you, Juan. Thank you, BBA. All right. Good morning to all of you, great family. Emmanuel, Plago. Good morning to four. Good morning to you, Holy Land, or Israel. Barbara comes in Japan. Obapa Manko so Omo. Okay. I said that salute to all of you. Wayadi Kasie. And a problem to me, I don't know as far as also my chance here, read this scripture be. Sabriana Ohini Herod Tinensa, Eye Asafunumo, any baby Ayade, or then crying to come, Yohane, in near Jacobo. Or then crying to come, Yohane, near Jacobo. Adenkrante Ekomo Yohane Nuya Yakubu. Yohane and Nuya Yakubu, they were very prominent people, no more prominent family. The Zebedee family. Mr. Zebedee was a very rich man, industrious man, where your bear man who are fishing work. But the son said in May, but they decided so many Yame Benante, so many years to Christo Benante. The Zebedee family. The Zebedee family. But the son so many years to Christo, but all your citizens, so now so say, a bedroom baby, no my baba yat time for his son said, woman to whom I use. Ask you to the Americans. Before about us, what to the Americans? When you be a Christian, even when you're a citizen, now so yeah, the near sound. Mashawa May Musa, since 1960 something I war me, Mashawa May Musa, will be a Christian, a Sumbia woman beyond the Yansadan Chidu, Yansadan Tao, Yansadan Kawas and Bonnet, but will be a Christian pet. On my way, I'm a free mono. On my way. My study Niyama, what dear Corona, you cry by me, study Niyama. I'm watching things. I'm watching. I said I'm a Niyama Dean. Shaniyamanasa. Immediately you become a Christian, you become a target in a country. Meanwhile, you tax, you free or may you more. But when you become a Christian, like as if you have become an enemy. Etu we womo kasafa and corona be kosro na corona be yese no. They don't talk about any religion. They don't talk about any religion. Womo kasumbiya sem. The womo kanyina na ya suffer, a Christopher. Ya na mentemasi. Zebedee, the man was industrious man, a man who was having a fishing boat. No be ankanawe. But time was Zebedee, man by Christians, be the yes, you know. They became a target. No failure, the nearest one so.
We are seeing kwa ye bibia yenga boro sofon kwa ye bibinwe ye beka wasam ya ase osofo de
as a foreigner as a citizen as a de free kroma ha as a de free obi ma so na betena ha. I don't get it. Uko adwuma mu a obi ye bibi ma obi oye Kristo ni nye enkan bibi pe and asofo mpu Wuko fa niyama beduru habo obi yi niyama na wo ka se ene Kristo ni mponi mentemasi o ade ye be ye Kristo for ya ne ya be ye adeso amamoana ya ne ya be ye ohawa amamoana mentiasi o obi ntira mase I don't get it. Na Bible no say no wachi abrantia ya friend no Yakobo ye Yohane nua en wo mo bo modna no mo sisomu na de ebe ya wodi an o de sekai eto abrantia ye minimum citizen of the nation. Osum Yesu Kristo nti wabedi Yesu achinti wabaya atamfo in society and in the country. Ya na mentimasi yo. What the Christopher ye fasting ye fasting 40 days. Easter be ye fasting. One tis a company be a can say oh a Christopher ye fasting the mommy and koma woman nsuo da. Never. Woman my nsuo da. But other religion yepe. You know me study near me to me ya badrema. Me share ideas companies, businessmen. I don't have an issue. But I have issue when you try to divide us. I have issue when you try to begin to choose no choose way more as a way there. Obit me can say some way there ya pewama. Why is it so? What is wrong? A dear na koso. Dear na mamota yen. A dear na mamuchiri yen. Kese say ya see sorry kurabeshi. Yes sir. Say you best sanitize you was sorry wa. I just say ya mouth certificate answer. One mama could job no mama certificate. Mama one certificate. I'm asking a question. I am so provoked this morning. I am so provoked. Yamba one certificate answer na mon can't you remember me. But the most Christians they just say your mouth certificate answer. Actually say your spray wo ya fumigate or honum. Say ya no, I need an answer. What am ignorant? I am ignorant. No worries. But I need an answer because I'm a citizen. Mimi to your tax. I'm a citizen. We the Christians in this nation, we've been helping in every area. President Ukraine say yabua. Ya dear. When Kasamsu win him. But when anything comes to Christianity, then no my yet as a more separate as yet a young mine as a medium we are foreigners, as a medium free country. We are bred, born, groomed, nurtured citizens of this great nation. Oh, Yaw Owusu Ansah. Magidimi foreki don stikrindo koshika bagis. Some of these things and run junior na misunsu me say o menka ho be. But metuna hanadia naba. I just yagumishire. But a serious matter that we need to think about it. We need to talk about it. We need to think and talk. A friend raise me point ya meetings because say fumigation or say ya say just MC you say just say central region say just omo baba ya omo be ya and son omo ma certificate and son wetumi ya sorry. No, I'm asking a question. Etumunye ye ni So you people don't trust us? So you people don't believe us? So you see us as liars? Then it is a question that I need an answer. But this thing I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent, Mama Sofo. Mean to be your doing that. Me to be your comb. Me to be your deal. Na Bible no send what chi Yohane nua Yakobo and what den krante twa ne kon etobre bi na ade bi koso o man bia mu a na wo so odi we de anyame ne yade yame anyame ne yade yame Yaw Owusu Ansah ne yade ya no osofo ba sasu ne yade ya no assemblies fo ne nya wo mo asori we ne nya wo mo ye yesa no mo hunu se o man no ye o mo da na fe wo mo de ba mu amaka no so wo se na o man no de na hunu se eso yudafo na ninti mame eso judafo na ninti eso wo mo ninti oso wo mo hyase yakɔkye eye petro nso so ka ho se Christians ya kaya no tun wo krom ha adia politicians de ba ye krom ha no you don't know where my boss me them say be no be send me message na you say that mutie dem so make an
mo ka no tu mu no ya san kwachiri Peter
wa mo ka wo ma no tu mu no ya kwachiri Peter wo ka wa no tu mu a so onya ka wa no tu mu a ya de ya asuma sini ya ka ya no tu mu a ya de ya obenteni ya ka ya no tu mu a. Every believer is a believer. Every believer is a believer. Every Buddha is a Buddha. Every Muslim is a Muslim. Every Konfua is Konfua. There is no difference. It's a young so mun treat you as equal. Value, respect. Mumuyansa. Me ye Christian, I'm not a taboo. Men kofa how near mania emaya. Christosum and yet taboo. And yeah, they say it, but rather at the sanity eba or man biarem. Say the other religion, you know, the same thing. All of them, they are preaching their kingdom, their businesses about the kingdom, sanity, holiness, purity, management, learning skills, time management, nation building, patriotism. But the big Christopher was also there. And you can't shit. Na ye kan ye she na ye kan ye she yes I agree sir asofu ni bi aya ma say sa na wo se ye I agree I know but ye won't me mfa ba konform so emfa mbesan to do wonya ye sa na wo provoke 6 time no won't me mfa ba konform so generalization. We don't use generalization to manage a nation, to correct a system. Generalization. Say men amaya katem say wo wunti. And from fraya nyina. What the fraya nyina? Na wo ya yenyi mu. Na wo ya ma ni aba ni ma ho. Ana ya ba asam no so kakra. Enemy titi ho. Ochina masa to aso. Ochina masa bie mu kakra. Ose na eso Judah for ade biere ko wiase bia ye won krofo bia de gang up na so wo mani na ye wo de na ye wo fe Christopher na wo ho akire wo man asofo yi na wo akire wo man na nsa ye de ani asia Christopher yi bi so sa na officer ya mo sofo di nti we so and we ni anya no. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, wo mu firi asoma asiso a no mo ya no mo se citizens na ni agia no mo de aba we say so e be kakra ye tie ka mu no ma be bisa say ka no wunya na hene. But Ghana, Hanama, where is accountability? Where is accountability? Politician bend the betina kunyaswa or didn't near much yan san or better kunyaso. Public officer bay. Bisaka trie binomagia, never near my cassiomoye. Why don't you people?
So for any sign.
Yandia, young Kwani and his sign, the Biani and his sign, Christopher. Ye bedia sofa, a dano, a brand tibit, baby, a dear sofa, penny for Ghana hanging at them, ya. And to obey me at other religion and penny for them. Can he, in short, I can radio on the station in a job at home. By Christians, but Abushia, we have the God. When they ensure the Christendom, Negro for Bowen Sem, he Asumasia Yadia, Obentia Yadia, Monria, he said you were Timmy. No. Oh, yes, I James. And on my money, Nigeria. And was this Judah for no can say, hey, why ya dear? I say ye need, dear, why ye dear, dear, why ya dear, hey, James Pan, Machina, Modesekai, Chesed Nipper to me a cheat or Christo ni, a citizen of a nation, and this a car to the minimum cocha, or Yakoko. Why you all dying? No, Matimia Trab, Branty, ya, one more year, not citizens, and say, oh, why ya dear, Herod, why ya dear. Where are the heroes in our time? Where are the heroes in our generation? Where are the heroes? Where are the heroes? Killing believers, destroying believers, suppressing believers. And the Bible is over here. Nepita or Nepita Yedi. Let's young for the United Mammas of woman United. What if you say James? Why? Because no man who say James. And in John. No more be yes, papa. Your friend is young for years to do on them. One more man in the best say, yes, my woman back when you've been coming in any for him. One more Sam Rantium in a years to call ya walk up bumper or Gassimanino. Sam Rantium, you know what the woman call you. And there was a competition. There was a hatred or time or time or time biaba and crowd was some bad abay and Brante was some bad abay. It's yes, and the air come almost and a saw Judah for the knee. As the believers, as you for the name from Yabakubi, and the Bible says, a honor a year Herod the day, a year Herod the day. Aya Herod de yade ya wo maami nuaba yade ya wo papa nuaba yade ya wo faba yade ya wo suaba wo se nyamea e na aka wa no to mo wo mo keka ba maame sofo
da enza se ye kan ya no tu enza se ye nsusu ye kire se nyame na kura wiase da nyame na kura wiase ye yi nyame firi ho a ye ntumi ntena sase so.
Oh my God.
Ente yade ye wo nua na ye wo de no ka hu se obedu mrebi wo se bedu so ente se ye sorry o sorry yo da emra ye kire Peter na afi o mani bo mo so
na de na o se ye twan bi ye kire Peter ansa Mansam no. James. Why do we keep quiet? Why do we be silent? I didn't know see now that James the Onyanipa. Now that James the Onkansia for no. It is because one wishes and we won this 6 term no. I was young on our frame you. May make us I will be wishes. What Casado do make Casado do chain and young so chain. A drew was one about to a pig. Chain. And no was off so. Me say me video be send you a brand be a dear software tem. What did time freeze and one and I'm home. Who dare you to insult the leaders or maybe be a university at the dance sorry Cassiano and you bottom sika. They are building destinies. Now sukonoma be a warm obra. That they will ensure the men of God once will be a cananotum. With the Yanasa, Yanasa, Moncasa, Christians, Makayanuatum. You will see the fire of God. You will see the judgment of God.
Who can stand before him? Hallelujah. Poverty cannot stand.
And I yawadampa. Ejana so and some no back. It is just coming like a rivers of waters. I think come in yan woman and someone able buffri me mubano. Watch James and Watchanity, one archer, and I know Pemi Jina Mimobro who says, Obibiara watch you, Obibiara was so on the woman, Obibiara was so on the woman, Obibiara was so on the woman, Obibiara was so without him. Hey, ask to join us. Hey, everybody join us. Everybody join us. We lift our voices Adeɛ biara yaso mu wo wiase ha aso nkrofo ani. Adeɛ biara aso nkrofo ani. Yɛde ayaw.
Awurade sorry.
Kabanu sikabaha.
Sorry.
Awurade sorry.
Awurade sorry. Awurade kasa.
The church of God cannot be shut down. The church of God cannot be silent. The church of God cannot be quiet. The church of God, the church of Jesus Christ. Let the church arise. 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 Makusi andiri bohosta. I like some of your comments. I like some of your comments because you choose to see any years benante. You choose to see any years benante, but you cannot be embarrassed and harassed. We cannot be harassed and embarrassed and suppressed. We live in our own country. We live a country called Ghana as citizens. We are citizens of Ghana. We are patriotic citizens of this great nation. Aroshi Gabosha, Ikarima Zonte, let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Baby, I will be able to lift up your voice. Let God arise. I also lift up your voice. On my I also lift up your voice. You are a believer. You are a child of God. And dear James, you know, Yadebaya Peter. Yantanase, Emma dear James, you know, Yanfanko Peter. Come on, arise, oh children of God. Arise, oh sons of God. Arise, oh Jehovah children. Arise. Karima Kosha. Lift up your voice wherever you are. Mawaniso, and you're running Casa. We are not foreigners. We are citizens. We are citizens. Ya my Ghana mufwo. Ya kushika bahando. They cannot downplay Christianity. We cannot accept it. We will never accept it. We will never accept it. We will never accept it. We refuse. We refuse. We refuse. We refuse as a body of Christ. We refuse as a church of God. We refuse. We are the children of God. Yes, you see. Mumani nyina momunyini. Mumani nyina momunyini. Yesu kurampo se. Mumani nyina momunyini. 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 In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Yesu wakase. Ubeshiwa soredai. Asama adu apono. Entimi nchimfaso. Mame bompae. Na eskoso bompae. Mame bompae.
What the utimi ade nyina yi. Awurade wo makasa. Wunya adwuma ye. Ghana ya wo mai. Enti wo makwa ma Ghana yan kanse. Ya de yan kan ya no ntum. Esansa Kristo bi sayeden. Mitranya papa Bishop Nwusram ekasegu wiom se nyame ho konkron be ye wadwuma be Ghana si ho so bi biara pese kan ye se ye mpre ye makwan ye brand to me ase ye gina Yesu Kristo tum Yesu Kristo no sorry to me no. Ya broma no ase. Ya ke kankrofo bia no tum. Ya tina Yesu di mo. Ya kankrofo no tum. E wo Yesu di mo. Mo hon konkro be kasa. Be je o my God na si ho. Ya be se wanyonyam. Asere nka wudin se watie no wa here. Adom nti. Amen.
Awurade sabre yi mu ana o here lo de trenensa. Awurade ya je wonu mo asem ti. Wasam say. Wo wasam no aye nkwase asem ba wana wanyi ni. Awurade ya mo fa ya say. So bi atrenensa kunuma me. Sare ma me. Mo bi na mo asi. Aye Kristo so ma fa ya. Ana pa sa wo kasa. Ya me nyina tati. Na sa ya so kasa. Wo nya juma ya. Awurade ya juma ma. My God. Ya juma ma. Kristo fo. Ya juma ma. Let God arise. 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 Let Jehovah arise. Let boldness arise. Let confidence arise. Let confidence, let justice arise. Let holiness and righteousness arise in our nation. Let God arise. Christo dibi ayakawashe. We speak prophetically. Ochi Jacob Yakubu edesike kuno no obechi eye Peter nsoso ochina nyame ya adoma yebeba so ochina nyame ya adoma yebeba so ochina nyame ya adoma yebetu aso afri ho yentena se maye nkum James Ansah. No, every child of God is a child of God. Every child of God is a child of God. I'm a citizen of Ghana. But choose to say yes na medinechi. It does not mean that I've become an enemy. Good morning. I love you. Ishlebede. Obaya, happy birthday to you. Welcome for the ICGC. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. CJ, and then we imagine say by 40, na me the idea na ma. Is it unpredictable? CJ this time no by unpredictable. The Jano Sha no me job is twaso ko. A unpredictable show. A unpredictable program. Here cause what you say? What you say? Enter for papata. I was here.